I'm Sawsan Wehbi. I'm a genetics PhD student at the Genetics GIDP at the University of Arizona. I study the origins of life on Earth. Specifically, I try to infer how life looked like 4.2 billion years ago when it first started on Earth. And I try to understand what requirements it needed, what type of organic requirements specifically. And part of my research is also trying to understand if it got these requirements from extraterrestrial origins, mainly delivered by meteorites. We only have one sample of life, and that's the Earth. It's very important for us to understand what are the signatures that are unique to life and how can we see them and look for them in space and define whether they are of biological origins or not. And we can only do that if we truly understand what makes biology unique. I did my undergrad in biology and then I did my master's more specifically in evolutionary biology. And throughout this whole time I was really interested in astronomy and I never thought that I could combine the two up until I heard from an astronomy professor that I had that I knew about something called astrobiology, and I was blown away, and I rapidly went online and started Googling that, and I was like, this is perfect, this is who I am, this is what I want to do. The biggest thing I would tell them to is to follow people on social media that do science. We're always on our phones, especially the younger generation, always scrolling through our phones, most of the time looking at things that are not really educational. But sometimes just following the right accounts and perhaps even following professors that do research and make it publicly accessible can change a lot. I mean, one of the reasons why I joined the University of Arizona was finding a tweet about research that was really interested, and it was tagged with the University of Arizona.